This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS application.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the new video of Educate WordPress. On this channel we talk everything about WordPress, and today we are gonna see how you can show your products in a table form so that user can filter them on their attributes and other specifications and purchase their own desired products very easily. So let's see how you can do this. First we have to go to our dashboard, and to our plugin we'll go to add new. To search for our plugin JustTables and then install it. So we'll search for JustTables. We have to click on this one, JustTables by Has Themes, and click on install now. And after installation of this plugin you have to activate it. Just click on activate. It is very easy to use plugin and there's no problem in setting it up. So we'll go to JustTables. You will see JustTables in your plugins, and here you will see product table option on your left side dashboard. So just go to product tables, and here we'll see there's no table formed. So we'll go to add new. So first we have to give the name of the table. So let's give it a name. And now these are the columns that are available. So you can click on activate so that they will be shown, and click on no, so deactivate them. This is the column heading, and width is of the premium function, so you have to purchase its premium pack for it. So as you can see, thumbnails, product title, categories, stock, price and quantity, and action. These are the things that are already visible. So you can turn them off if you want. You can turn on the attributes also. You can turn on the ratings of the products also. So these are things help the user to purchase or to choose their product wisely. Next we will go to conditions. So here are taxonomy included. You can include new taxonomies also. Here are orders. So in which order the product will be displayed, descending or ascending. Products per page. So how many products you want to show per page. And all of these are premium settings like minimum price, maximum price. These are all the conditions on which the product will be shown. Next is utilities. So this is responsive layout so that the table can customize its own width and length according to the product's content. So it is advisable to turn it on always and turn this on also so that the table looks good. It does not look camped up. This is table header. To show table header, you can turn it off also if you do not want to show the table header. This is view product button. Search box, if you do not want search box to be enabled, just turn it off. You can leave all the settings to default, and you can change it if you want to, like products not found text, variation not available text. These are all the text that are shown. Now next thing is design. So these are all premium functions. You cannot edit in free version. You have to buy the premium pack. but after that you can edit it. All of the background color, border width, border style, all of this you can edit for filter, table, header, footer, body, anything you want. So that's it. You just have to click on publish to enable this table. You will get a table shortcode. You will see the shortcode here. You just have to copy this shortcode. And now let's see and include it in our page. Let's add a new page. We can name it test. Let's name it test. And here I'll paste the shortcode and click on publish. And now let's view the page. Let's see how our table looks. So this is how our table looks. These are all the products. This option is for minimizing and maximizing the content. So if you do not want to see the categories, rating, attributes, you can just minimize it. Like we have enabled ratings and attributes, so it is showing me the attributes. User can directly click on the categories to see more products on that category also. They will be directed to category they have chosen. They can search for their desired product if they want. This is how the table looks like. They can directly increase or decrease the quantity, add them to cart or wishlist them. They can select the variation also right from here. So it makes easier for them to purchase a product or multiple products. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to Educate WordPress.